Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mind Detective. Today we're diving into a question that plagues many a guy. She's pulling away. Is it you? Is it her? What do you do? Don't worry fellas, we've got your back. In this video, we'll break down the 9 biggest mistakes guys make when a woman seems to be losing interest and show you how to navigate this situation like a champ. First up, the panic monster. You notice the shift. Fewer texts, shorter calls, a general vibe of disconnect. Your mind races. Did you mess up? Is there someone else? It's natural to feel insecure, but freaking out pushes her further away. Take a deep breath, detective. Here's the thing. Sometimes people need space, and that doesn't automatically mean the end. Maybe she's swamped with work, dealing with family issues, or simply needs some time for herself. Mistake number 2, communication overload. You bombard her with texts, desperate to win her back. Remember, sometimes less is more. Respect her space and trust that if there's something she needs to say, she will. Think about it this way. If you were feeling overwhelmed, would you appreciate a constant barrage of questions? Probably not. It can come across as needy and smothering. Here's a big one. The green-eyed monster. Possessiveness and jealousy are major turnoffs. Trust is the foundation of any relationship. Maybe you see her interacting with a male coworker and insecurity creeps in. Take a step back. Does she give you any reason to doubt her? If not, breathe easy and trust that she's chosen you for a reason. If you find yourself feeling insecure, address the root cause within yourself, not her. Talk to a friend, hit the gym, or explore some hobbies. Channel that energy into something positive. Tempting as it may be, grand gestures are rarely the answer. A genuine conversation or a thoughtful act of kindness speaks volumes more than expensive gifts. Maybe you think showering her with flowers or planning an extravagant date night will rekindle the spark. While those things can be nice, a more sustainable approach is focusing on the little things. Did she mention she loved that new bakery down the street? Surprise her with a pastry on your way home. Notice she's been stressed about work? Offer to take care of some chores or give her a relaxing back rub. These small gestures show you pay attention and care about her well-being. This next one's crucial. Don't seek constant reassurance. Needing validation chips away at the relationship. Maybe you find yourself constantly asking if she's okay or if she's still into you. It's okay to check in occasionally, but if it becomes a pattern, it can be draining. Remember, a strong relationship is built on mutual trust and understanding, not on perpetual check-ins. Believe in yourself and the connection you've built. If you constantly question her feelings, it can make her question yours. Mind games are a recipe for disaster. Maybe you think playing hard to get or making her a tad jealous will reignite the spark. It might seem tempting, but trust us, it's not a healthy approach. Using games as a strategy can muddle communication and breed mistrust. It's like navigating a maze blindfolded. Both of you end up lost and frustrated. Instead, be authentic and transparent. Open communication is the key to a healthy relationship. If you're feeling distant, address it head-on. A genuine conversation about your needs and concerns is far more productive than any manipulative tactic. Sometimes space is exactly what's needed. Think of it like a wilting plant. It needs water, sure, but it also needs sunlight and room to breathe. If she's pulling away, don't smother her with attention. Respect her need for space and trust that if the connection is strong, she'll come back. This doesn't mean completely disappearing. A thoughtful text or a quick check-in every few days lets her know you're still thinking of her. But avoid being overly clingy. Use this time to focus on yourself too. Pursue your hobbies, hang out with friends, and work on your own personal growth. When she does come back, you'll be a more well-rounded and interesting partner. Don't take it personally. Maybe she's dealing with something you don't know about. It's easy to internalize her distance and think you did something wrong. But remember, everyone has their battles to fight. Maybe she's grappling with family issues, financial stress, or even past traumas. By assuming it's a direct reflection of your actions or worth, you add unnecessary strain to the situation. Instead, offer support without making assumptions. Let her know you're there for her, no strings attached. This creates a safe space for her to open up when she's ready. Finally, don't ignore the root cause. If she's pulling away, there's a reason. It might not be a dramatic reason, but there's something underlying it. Maybe she feels unheard or unseen in the relationship. Maybe there's an unresolved argument lingering in the shadows. By only addressing the symptoms, like her being distant, you're missing out on the bigger picture. Here's the key. Initiate a genuine conversation when the time is right. Don't pressure her to talk if she's not ready. But when she seems open, ask open-ended questions and truly listen. Let her know you're interested in understanding her perspective. Maybe something you said or did unintentionally hurt her feelings. Maybe she's simply going through a personal growth spurt and needs some time to adjust. By getting to the heart of the matter, you're showing commitment to the relationship's health and longevity. It's not just about patching things up. It's about understanding and growing together. Relationships take work, but with these tips, you'll be equipped to handle those tricky situations where she seems distant. Remember, guys, communication is key. Be patient, be understanding, and most importantly, be yourself. Thanks for joining The Mind Detective today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more relationship advice, and leave a comment below with your best tips for navigating a partner who's pulling away. See you next time.